In the vast expanse of Russia's Far East, a team of paleontologists embarked on an expedition that would unveil a remarkable discovery. They uncovered a nearly complete dinosaur skeleton, a new species named Olorotitan The Measuring 39 feet, it was a true behemoth. Its discovery excited the scientific community, offering a clearer picture of dinosaur anatomy and lifestyle. One of the most striking features of Olorotitan was its large, hollow crest. This crest, formed by elongated nasal bones, extended backwards over the skull. The crest's purpose has been much debated among scientists. Some believe it was for visual display, like bird plumage. Others suggest it played a role in sound production. The hollow structure could have amplified calls. The exact function remains a mystery, likely serving multiple purposes. Like many hadrosaurs, Olorotitan is believed to have been a gregarious animal, living in herds that roamed the late Cretaceous landscape. This social behavior is supported by several lines of evidence, including the discovery of multiple Olorotitan skeletons in close proximity. These herds likely consisted of individuals of various ages, from juveniles to adults. Living in groups would have offered Olorotitan several advantages in the struggle for survival. For one, there is safety in numbers. A herd of Olorotitan would have been a formidable sight to potential predators, making it more difficult for them to isolate and attack individuals. Furthermore, group living would have facilitated foraging. By moving together, Olorotitan herds could cover more ground in search of food. Communication would have been crucial within these herds, and Olorotitan's impressive crest may have played a significant role in visual and auditory signaling. The social interactions within Olorotitan herds likely involved a complex interplay of visual displays, vocalizations, and perhaps even physical contact. By studying the remains of these ancient animals, paleontologists are gradually piecing together a more complete picture of their social lives. Olorotitan was a herbivore, subsisting on a diet of plants. Its duck-billed snout and rows of closely packed teeth were perfectly adapted for stripping leaves and other vegetation from trees and shrubs. The late Cretaceous period was a time of lush plant life, and Olorotitan would have had an abundance of food sources to choose from. Its habitat in what is now Russia was characterized by a warm, humid climate supporting a diverse array of vegetation. Conifers, ferns, and flowering plants flourished during this time, providing ample sustenance for herbivorous dinosaurs. Olorotitan's size and high browsing capabilities would have allowed it to reach vegetation that other herbivores couldn't, giving it a competitive edge. Its beak-like snout was well suited for cropping tough vegetation, and its powerful jaws could grind plant matter efficiently. Section 5. The Late Cretaceous, Olorotitan's reign. Olorotitan lived during the Late Cretaceous period, approximately 68 to 66 million years ago. This final chapter in the age of dinosaurs was a time of significant geological and environmental change. The continents were continuing their slow drift towards their present-day positions, and sea levels were fluctuating. Despite these changes, the Late Cretaceous was a time of remarkable biodiversity. Dinosaurs reached their peak diversity during this period, with a wide array of species inhabiting a variety of ecosystems. Olorotitan shared its world with other iconic dinosaurs, including the fearsome Tyrannosaurus rex and the heavily armored Triceratops, although not in the same geographical location. The climate during the late Cretaceous was generally warmer than today, with higher levels of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. This created a greenhouse effect, resulting in a globally warmer climate. The polar regions were free of ice, and lush forests extended to high latitudes. Section 6. From eggs to adults, the life cycle of Olorotitan. Like all dinosaurs, Olorotitan hatched from eggs. While no Olorotitan nests have been discovered, it is likely that these dinosaurs, like other hadrosaurs, laid their eggs in nests constructed of vegetation and earth. The eggs were probably incubated by the warmth of the sun, or in some cases by geothermal heat. Upon hatching, Olorotitan juveniles were relatively small and vulnerable. They would have relied on the protection of their parents or other members of the herd. As they grew, Olorotitan juveniles underwent a remarkable transformation, developing their distinctive crests and reaching their impressive adult size. The growth rate of Olorotitan is thought to have been relatively rapid, perhaps reaching sexual maturity within a decade or so. This rapid growth was essential for survival, allowing Olorotitan to reach a size that would deter most predators. Section 7. Olorotitan's predators and defenses. Despite its size, Olorotitan was not invincible. It shared its environment with predators, such as the Tyrannosaurid Tarbosaurus. To defend itself, Olorotitan likely relied on a combination of strategies. Its large size would have been a deterrent to some predators, while its strong legs would have allowed it to outrun others. In addition to its physical attributes, Olorotitan's social behavior would have provided some protection. Living in herds, Olorotitan could rely on the strength of numbers to deter attackers. If threatened, the herd could have formed a defensive circle, with adults protecting the vulnerable young in the center. Olorotitan's crest, while primarily a display structure, could have also played a role in defense. The large crest may have made Olorotitan appear larger and more intimidating to potential predators. Furthermore, if the crest was indeed capable of producing loud sounds, it could have been used to startle attackers or call for help from other members of the herd. Section 8. Conclusion. Olorotitan's legacy. The discovery of Olorotitan has provided paleontologists with invaluable insights into the diversity and evolution of hadrosaurs. Its unique crest, social behavior, and adaptations to its late Cretaceous environment make it a captivating subject of study. Olorotitan's story is a reminder of the vastness of geological time and the incredible creatures that once roamed our planet. As scientists continue to unearth new fossils and analyze existing ones, our understanding of Olorotitan and its place in the dinosaur family tree will undoubtedly grow. Each new discovery brings us closer to unraveling the mysteries of these ancient creatures and the world they inhabited. Olorotitan, the giant swan from Ahara, will forever hold a place of honor in the annals of paleontology, a testament to the grandeur and diversity of life in Earth's distant past.